You have the power to change anything. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the book that I'm currently reading, which is called The Influencer. And I'm also going to teach you how I'm doing my makeup. In this world, we need individuals that are able to exert influence. This is not an easy task, as you may know, but it is essential to understand how you can get someone to change their bad habits. Changing or encouraging or persuading someone to make this change is very challenging. And that's the reason why it's so important to do research on how people are doing this. There's so many individuals out there across the country that are changing the lives of other people. So in this book, you learn from various industries how you exert influence. The first step is understanding people's cultural beliefs or belief system. We are all programmed into this world with a set of values that we have, and we must understand what's the population set of beliefs. Once you see their set of beliefs, you're going to identify the problem. Identifying the problem is very important because some people or everyone has these habits not because they want to, but because they grew up in an environment where this was very prevalent. After identifying the problem, come up with not only the solution to that problem, but also the consequence of doing this new solution. So a lot of people tend to just find the solution and they're like, okay, this is what you should be doing. And they don't tie that solution to how that's going to benefit the person who's changing the habit. We have to be very strategic with the way that we tie that solution with the individual. Giving them the opportunity to understand that it's not easy. Give people what they aspire to have. And that's not just in a monetary compensation, but also how these actions lead to better and healthy effects. We all want the same things in life. We want happiness, we want a great life. But the problem here is that most people do not know how to go from point A to B, and that's where you have to hold their hands. Provide examples of people who have done the same thing over and over and over again. You have to have someone who had that bad habit previously and show others that it is possible to change. It is not going to help out if you are an outsider, someone who's never been in that environment, and you become the expert. The expert is the person who originally had the bad habit and overcame this bad habit. So, a doctor, a psychologist, someone who has not been in that environment previously is not going to exert change no matter how often and how much you give data and how much you spread the awareness, how much you spread knowledge. If people don't see you as them, they are not going to be encouraged to change their current behavior. So introduce someone who has dealt that issue before and people are more inclined to change that behavior. Influencing takes time, it takes effort, it takes patience. This is not an overnight success. It takes a long period for you to start seeing results. Trial and error is part of the development on changing any type of habit that you want to change. But after navigating everything and seeing what works and what doesn't, you will see unimaginable results in your environment. Changing is not easy, but it is necessary for your well being. And it's not changing one person, but changing an entire preconceived belief set. Don't give up on the first try. With that being said, thank you so much for seeing my video and also getting ready with me. This is one of my favorite things in the world, being able to spread knowledge about a certain topic and also learning about beauty. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye!